Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. So I'm driving. Yesterday we had my son's birthday party. My two sons and my wife, they all have a birthday party at the same time. So I'm returning these things to the woman that built the balloons and stuff. It was a great time, right? I made some pancakes to my son in the morning. It was nice. He gets it now, right? And I want to discuss something with you that I feel is important to know. I feel it's important to shift your mindset around it. I feel that it's important that you apply this principle, because who was your role model is something that I keep asking myself over and over again. Because the moment that I'm sitting here right now, I will not remember this in a couple of years or in a couple of months, right? So what I'm doing right now, my future self will be affected by it. So what am I doing? What are my actions? Are they good actions? Are they good habits? Am I doing the correct things? Am my life aligned with my purpose and the thing that I want to do in the world and the thing that I want to share with people? And how will I be interpreting myself eventually when I look back in the future to myself right now? What am I doing right now that my future self will thank me for that I'm doing, right? Because we are so much focused in, I want to get this and I want to get that, I want to do those things, and like, are they aligned with your purpose? Are they aligned with our purpose? I'm discussing this like I'm talking to myself, because I'm always thinking about what is my future self is gonna look like. What am I doing right now that me 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now will thank me for doing? Like, thank you for doing those things. Thank you for putting in the effort. There's a Snoop Dogg speech that he did with Eminem and Dr. Dre, where he won some star, I think, and he went up on the booth and he talked and he said, "I want to thank me." It's a bit selfish and a bit egoistic, but hear me out. He says, "I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all the hard work. I want to thank me for trusting God, believing in myself, believing in my ability that I can do those things, because I would never be able to be here if I didn't believe in me." So believe in the thing that you're doing today, and really do it with the best of your ability, right? And not wishing for the results way too quick, because we will never get there. That's what I've learned over my years being alive, that I will never get there. I'll never get to my goal, because the goal is not a destination. The goal is we've all heard this crap, right? The journey is the most important. The journey over the goal, or the process over the goal, the outcome, those things. But it's true, because how many times have you thought, when I get this thing, when I get here, then I'm happy. But when you get here, as soon as you get here, you start thinking about the other thing. So the process, really, your day-to-day habits, really is the thing that will satisfy your life the most. So I moved to Malaysia. I took I sold everything I have here, and I took my family and we moved to Kuala Lumpur and we started living there. But it didn't work, because I wasn't building, I wasn't creating, I wasn't being a man of service to the world. I was just being by myself, making money, doing trading, and trading went like this, back and forth, and it wasn't that good, because the time was affecting me, and there were a lot of sickness in the family. Every time we ate something, we got sick, and we went to hospitals back and forth. It was such a routine wrecker, that country, unfortunately. But that's it. I don't want to rabble along way too much and talk way too much, and I digress sometimes. I hope you understand that, but I just want to share this perspective with you, and I hope you do those things that you yourself will be proud of that you did a few years from now. Take care. I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors, and if you want to join, I have a free school community. We can talk there. And if you want to learn trading, and if you want a structured approach and a simple approach to trading, feel free to join, and hope to see you there. Take care.